Let's learn how you can delete your old Facebook profile without password or email. So this is very limited, and you are limited with options. You can do this. So only thing you can do is to report your old profile on Facebook, and second thing you can do is to write to Facebook support about your old account. So first thing, let us go and search our old account. Once you're here, tap on three dots. Now you will have to go to this report profile option. When this pop-up appear, click on something about this profile, then pretending to be someone, and who are they pretending is me. Now just click on submit, and your decision will be made by Facebook support. When you're done with this, just click on done. I won't do that now. What else you can do is to write Facebook support about your old profile. You can go to help center and try to write Facebook support. Make sure you provide them with proofs that old account is yours. If you have some pictures, if you remember old email, old password you used but you don't know now, or something connected with that profile, it will be very helpful and useful. And make sure you provide every information about that old account to Facebook support, and you should wait for their answer at the end. So there is no really other way to delete your account except reporting that profile and writing to Facebook support about that old profile.